अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी गाइस होप कि आप लोग जो है इससे पिछला काम कर चुके होंगे। एक्सरसाइज 1.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जो है वो मैंने आपको एज अ होमवर्क प्रोवाइड किया था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के कुछ पार्ट्स थे, हमने पार्ट 1 और पार्ट जो है 4 अटेम्प्ट किया था। पार्ट सेकंड, थर्ड, फिफ्थ और सिक्स्थ दैट फॉर योर बुक। Today we are starting question number 2 of exercise 1.1. The question is solve by factorization. Solve by factorization. Solve, जब भी इक्वेशन में solve का वर्ड आता है तो solve means you have to find out the value of variable. So in this equation 4 minus 32x is equal to 17x square. This is a quadratic equation, but this equation is not in standard form. So first of all you have to write this equation in standard form, then you have to solve this equation to get the values of x. 17x square इक्वल के बाद है, आप 32x को इक्वल के बाद ले आए प्लस 32x और 4 इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा माइनस। इक्वल से पहले आपके पास जीरो बच रहा है, आप चाहें तो इस तरह से पहले आप अगर इसको लिखेंगे आपका एक स्टेप इंक्रीज होगा, डायरेक्टली इक्वल के बाद क्या आप करते जीरो। दिस इज कॉल्ड राइट हैंड रूल के आपके पास जो भी एक्सप्रेशंस होती है वो हमेशा लेफ्ट साइड पर होती है और इक्वल के बाद ही जीरो आता है, पहले इक्वल से पहले आप जीरो नहीं इंसर्ट करो। Now you have to make the factors of this equation. For factorization you have to multiply minus 4 with 17, you will get minus 68. अब minus 68 के आपने फैक्टर्स बनाने हैं, इस तरह से minus 68 के फैक्टर्स होने चाहिए कि इनको जब आप माइनस करें, इसके फैक्टर्स को जब आप माइनस करें तो आपके पास क्या आना चाहिए 32 आना चाहिए। So let's start 168 are तो माइनस करके 32 नहीं आ रहा, 234 are, these are the factors. सेकंड स्टेप में बन गया आपके पास फैक्टर्स के दोनों को माइनस करके आपके पास क्या आता है 32। नाउ 17x square minus 4 is equal to 0. हमने फर्स्ट और लास्ट टर्म को एज इट इज लिखा, दरमियान में जो साइन प्लस था उसको भी एज इट इज लिखा। अब हमने ये फैक्टर्स बनाए हैं कि इन दोनों को माइनस करके आपके पास में आना चाहिए 32, तो ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू माइनस 2 फ्रॉम 34। अब 34x में से माइनस कर दे 2x तो आपके पास 32x प्रोड्यूस हो जाएगा। नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट्स like this. Take common 17x from these two terms, you will get x plus 2, and take common minus 2 from these two terms. When you will take common minus 2, the sign inside the bracket will be changed, it will become x plus 4. Sorry, x plus 2. X plus 2 and x plus 2 is same, so you will take x plus 2 as a common, and the remaining terms will be 17x minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 multiply by 17x minus 2 is equal to 0. It's mean कि इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट जो है वो किसके इक्वल है 0 के। अगर इन दोनों एक्सप्रेशंस का प्रोडक्ट 0 के इक्वल है तो इट्स मीन कि हम ये कह सकते हैं कि x plus 2 is equal to 0 और 17x minus 2 is equal to 0. x plus 2 भी 0 के इक्वल हो सकता है और 17x minus 2 भी इक्वल टू 0 हो सकता है। So x is equal to minus 2, 17x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 by 17. Now you have obtained two values of x. Why you have obtained two values of x, not one value of x? Because this is quadratic equation. In quadratic equation the highest power of the variable is 2, so you have to find out the values of x, two values of x. So you will get two values of x because this is quadratic equation. What about linear equation? Linear equation is an equation with the exponent of variable as 1, so you will get one value of x, and in quadratic equation you will get two values of x. And similarly for cubic equation in which the exponent of the variable is 3, you will get three values of x. This is quadratic, so you have got two values of x. X is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 2 by 17. You can write it as a solution set. minus 2 comma 2 by 70. Now this is the sixth part of question number 2 of exercise 1.1. The terms are in the fraction form. हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में ये डिस्कस किया था कि जब आपके पास एक्सप्रेशंस फ्रैक्शन में आती हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू टेक द एलसीएम to simplify this equation, to find out the standard form of this equation, you have to simplify first of all this equation. Simplify and solve means, simplify means to write an equation in standard form. Solve means to find out the values of particular variable. So before finding the value of variable, you have to simplify this equation and have to write it in standard form. So to write it in standard form, what will you do? First of all, you will take the LCM of these two terms, x minus 3 and x minus 4. Let's see. X minus 3 and x minus 4, both are different terms. So the LCM will be both x minus 3 and x minus 4. X minus 3 and x minus 3 are same. So it will be cancelled. The remaining term is x minus 4. That will be multiplied with 1 from the numerator. Put the sign minus. X minus 4 and x minus 4 is same, and the remaining term is what? X minus 3. That will be multiplied with the 1 of numerator of second term. Now solve it. X minus 4 minus x plus 3 over x minus 3 into x minus 4. Minus x plus x will be cancelled. It will become minus 7 over x minus 3 into x minus 4, 2 over x minus 9. But again, it is again in the fraction form. Now you have to cross multiply. 2 will be multiplied with x minus 3 into x minus 4 like this. And x minus 9 will be multiplied with minus 7. Okay, then x multiply x, x here, x multiply minus 4 minus 4x, minus 3 multiply x minus 3x, and minus 3 multiply minus 4 plus 12 is equal to minus 7x plus 63, 7x plus 63, and again बाहर minus का sign है, so we will change the sign inside the bracket. Minus will become plus, because minus 7 multiplied will become positive sign. 2x square minus 8x minus 6x plus 24 plus 7x minus 63 is equal to 0. Now we are making it standard form, for which we have to place the sign symbol 0 after the equality sign. So we have to shift the terms after equality before equality. 2x square minus 8 minus 6 and plus 7. What will it become? Minus 14 minus 7x. And then 24 minus 63 will become what? 39. Minus 39 is equal to 0. Now you have to make the factors. अब आपको इसके factors बनाने हैं. 39 will be multiplied by 2. It will become minus 78. The factors will be in such a way that when we subtract the factors, we will get 7. 178 to 39 more 3 4 4 5 5 6 13 minus 6 will become 7. Now the factors are 6 and 13. 6 and 13. We will write the first and the last term as it is, and the sign will be like this, minus The factors will be 13 and 6. You have to subtract these two terms. So we will subtract 6 from 13. 13x minus 6x. You will get 7x, obviously. But now open the brackets. When you will open the brackets, this sign will be changed because minus sign is outside the bracket. Now you have to take common from these two terms. You will get just x as a common, 2x minus 13, and now you have to take common. You will get 2 as a common and 3 as a common number. Now the terms inside the bracket will be 2x minus 13. So 2x minus 13, 2x minus 13 are again same. You will take common 2x minus 13 and the terms inside the bracket will be x plus 13. These are two basically factors of this equation. These are factors of this equation. Now you have to find out the values of x from these two factors, for which you will equate 2x minus 13 as equal to 0 and x plus 13 is equal to again 0. X is equal to 13 by 2 and x is equal to minus 13. So the solution set will be 13 by 2 and minus 13. Okay. Now guys, again there are 6 parts of question number 2. We have done part 3 and part 6. Part 2, 1, 2, 4 and 5 are your homework. You have to do these parts by yourself on your neat notebooks, and you can discuss if any query arises in the next class. Okay, thank you very much.